to be making rum and raisin ice cream that kids can eat. So first we're going to add into our blender 2 vegan vanilla yogurts, then we're going to add 2 small bananas and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we're going to blend it and see after it's done. Now it's finished blending, we're going to put it in our ice cream maker for it to churn. Then we're going to put it inside of the ice cream maker. Put on the lid. And then see you when it's done. Whilst that's churning, we're going to prepare our raisins to put inside our ice cream. So first, we're going to add a double shot of white rum and raisins. And we're going to cook that down until the raisins go a little bit soft, and so the alcohol can disappear, and then you still taste the flavour. See you when it's time to put it in. Now I've finished cooking down my raisins, I'm going to add most of it into my ice cream. And see you when my ice cream is done. Has finished churning, I'm going to add it into this dish and place it inside the freezer so it can get hard. Now, some of it is already made, so you can easily eat it, depending on the way you like it. See you next time.